which is lovely. And this one's like that on the front, and then the flowers on the back. Oh yeah, it is very vanilla because looking at the labels, but you get 2 sheets of labels to use, some flowers on there, and then happy to spread them all out. That's another design with that one on the back. It reminds me of the china, you know, the blue and white china that you used to get dinner services and things like that. Oh, look at these leaves, they've got gold on them. They're pop outs as well. Beautiful. And then this paper goes on forever. You've got that. That does my eyes in. Looking at it. And then you've got the flowers on the back again. Very nice. Oh, more labels. There's 2 sheets of those as well. More labels with flowers. And this is the last one. That's pretty. And that. But it's got like it's like a faded effect on bits of it. I don't know if you can see that on there. But that is well nice. So that's my catalogue haul for this month. I'm so excited. It's like I said, you don't know what to play with first, but I'm sure you'll be seeing lots of projects coming up with stuff that I've used. I'm still waiting on, oh yeah, we've got in August, the new emboss machine goes live, and that's on my hit list to get, and a few other bits and pieces. I can't believe I forgot the new inks, the new in colour inks. I got all the blends and the papers and the enamel dots, and I forgot the inks, and I forgot to order them this time. So they're on my list as well. I've got a list ready to go, but I like blending anyway, so it's not a big hardship. Well, thank you very much for joining me and sharing my excitement. I'm just going to go and stare at it all now for another hour and try and decide what to play with first. But thank you very much for joining me, and I'm sure I'll see you soon again for either a Make It Thursday or one of my Tilly's Tips videos. But thank you all very much. Speak to you soon. Bye.